Let's say you found a home to buy, you make an offer, and that offer gets accepted by the seller. It's usually a good idea to have a professional home inspection so you know what you're buying. But what if the inspection reveals issues that you can't live with? Can you then ask a seller for repairs or other concessions? I'm John Aylesworth. Our firm focuses on real estate transactions in the Chicago area. They are just that important. So can you ask the seller for repairs after the inspection? That answer depends on the language of your contract. The answer may be no if you agree to buy the property as is, or if your purchase contract does not even include an inspection contingency. Even if you are not buying the property as is and your contract includes an inspection contingency, the answer still depends on your contract. Standard contracts allow buyers to raise issues on major components of the property, like the refrigerator, stove, or HVAC mechanicals that are either not working, not fully functional, or that present safety hazards. This excludes such things as wear and tear, cosmetic matters, maintenance matters, upgrades, improvements, and the old but functional appliances and mechanicals. If the inspection reveals something that is technically excluded, but is still important to you, you can ask for repairs or a financial concession. However, asking the seller in this situation can be a calculated risk. Asking for something that is excluded from the contract could be considered an overreach, which might cause the seller to cancel the contract. Before you ask for repairs or concessions outside of a contingency, consider your seller and the circumstances around the purchase. Then talk it through with an experienced closing attorney, someone who regularly negotiates real estate deals. If you'd like to learn more about buying and selling real estate in the Chicago area, visit our firm's website at mhwasserman.com. We're here to help you close with confidence.